Okay guys, today on the menu I will be making stuffed salmon. Sounds good to me. Alright guys, in this bowl here I have 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and we're going to get that mixed up here. Alright guys, now typically I bake my cornbread and then I start adding, take it out and add, but today I'm a little pressed for time, so we're going to do this the good old easy way. In this bowl I have Creole seasoning, garlic powder, herbs de Provence, and onion powder. So I'm just going to put it right on in here. So we're going to give that a good stir around. Okay, and then next I'm going to add my Maine lobster juice right on in. Give that a good stir. This smells fantastic, by the way. I have been wanting to make this for a few weeks, and so today I felt like, you know, today is that day to make this stuffed salmon. Alright, I have my butter here. It's 1/4 cup of butter. It's already softened, and I'm going to put it right on in here as well. It would have been easier to melt this butter, but we're gonna do it the good old way. My good old way. Alright. Oh, smells so good. So next I have in this bowl, I have a little bit of jalapenos, bell peppers, and red onions, and I'm going to put it right on the inside. And I'm going to give this a stir. The rest of my Maine lobster juice. And also some vegetable stock. Now the reason why I am layering this like I am with all these good flavors is because you already know I love layers. Alright, so this is smelling absolutely fantastic. I'm going to take my peppercorns and I'm just going to put some of this pepper, fresh grated pepper, right on in here. Next, I'm going to take a little of my Himalayan salt and I'm just going to add some in there. Give it a good stir. Okay, so I have my shrimp and lump crab right here, and I'm just going to add it right on in here. We're going to give this a good stir, set it in the oven. I have my oven preset at 400. Stir this around and let it bake, honey, and get ready for some stuffed salmon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sounds so good. Cannot wait. We'll put a little bit more of this vegetable stock. I'm going to place it in this pan and stick it in the oven. Now, this would be good just to have on the side with fried fish, or I just love seafood, so I can eat this all by itself. Alrighty, I'm getting ready to stick that in the oven and let it bake. Alright guys, I'm going to season my fish while the stuffing is in the oven. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Himalayan salt and put it right over my fish. And put a little bit of this black pepper, and we're gonna do both sides. Add a little lemon. Okay, so I have my cilantro and my fresh cilantro. Let me emphasize fresh. And then I have one fresh basil leaf. And I'm just going to chop them up and put them in this bowl. We'll slice this in half. That was a very pretty basil leaf. Okay, I have my seafood stuffing out of the oven, and I have my cast iron. Skillet right here, and I've already dressed it with a little EVOO. All right, this spoon is for me. Okay, I need to taste my stuffing to make sure that it's good. You guys know I just can't wait. That's all. Yep, and you want it like that, huh? Yummy. All right, so I'm going to take my fish and I'm going to set it right down in this pan. Next, I'm going to just get a ooh, why did I touch that, y'all? A generous amount, and just stick it right there. Yummy. Right, I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of butter right over the top. And take another piece of fish and put it, oh, I'm sorry. I want to add a little bit of basil right to the top of that. Now we're going to add our fish. A little more of this butter. This is my homemade butter. It's full of herbs and just all kind of good stuff, guys. And we're going to take our next piece of fish. Skin side down. Now, this one is already, it didn't have skin, bones, nothing. So that makes it a whole heck of a lot easier. And I'm just going to take some more of this stuffing and stick it right on. Now, if you're a seafood lover, honey, you'll love this. All that crab and shrimp. We're going to add a little bit of this basil again. Hey, let's just throw some on top. There's nothing wrong with fresh herbs. Add a little bit of this butter. Yum. And we're going to top it off with another piece of fish. And some more butter. All right, I'm going to get this in the oven and allow it to bake. Alrighty, I have my stuffed salmon fresh out of the oven. Next, what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of lemon juice because seafood needs plenty of lemon juice. You just want a few little drips right on top of it. And I'm going to add some of my fresh cilantro right over the top. Yummy. And I'm going to take some of that delicious seasoning that we put into the dressing and just add it right over the top. Next, I'm going to take my butter, honey, and just drizzle all this butter right on. Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious, honey. Alrighty, guys, you know what time it is. Honey, it's time for my taste test. I cannot wait to dig into this fish and shrimp and crab, honey. Let me get my knife because this is a big bite here. I'm gonna cut that. Get that bottom fish also. That is delicious. Yes, honey, if you're looking for something different, flavorlicious and delicious, honey, try this stuffed salmon recipe. Alright guys, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, ring the bell, live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time guys, bye. Oh my God.